telescope at a single patch of sky that we think is empty and get as much light as we can for as long as we can and see what's there, and you find there's a hell of a lot there. So the question of the infinity, the thing I find really quirky about infinity is the fact that something can be infinite and finite at the same time. That's where I think the real mind screw comes from. The surface of the Earth is a tractable, measurable thing. We know exactly how large the Earth is, how far it is round in this direction and the other, but it's also in a sense infinite. What I mean by that is if you could freeze the oceans, or put roads over them or whatever, and you could walk in one direction, you'd never reach the end of the Earth. You'd go round and round in circles, but it's infinite. You don't come to an end. So in a very traditional sense of infinity, it's infinite, it's unbounded, but it's unbounded and bounded at the same time. And that's the way we think about the universe. So because the universe contains all that is space and all that is time, the Big Bang happened everywhere at once, and everywhere has got bigger, but it's still all within the universe, so you can never be outside it to see it happen. But no matter how big the universe is, it is infinite in that if you kept going for long enough in a given direction, you'd eventually come back to where you started, just like the surface of the Earth. But it's also probably finite in size, in that if you had a big enough measure, you could measure somehow that size, except your measure would come all the way back to you.